Afternoon. Bloody tired still. Right, so yesterday I got one package, one item, and today I've got another one. This could be the last mailbag. I don't really need anything else, to be honest with you. I've got nowhere to put stuff anyway. I'm putting stuff on top of other stuff, and it's kind of mixing stuff up, which is kind of awkward for me to find when I need to find anything. I've still not started any projects yet. So now I've got most of the there is one thing I do need, but again, it's the place to put it if I get it. And that's one of those Dremel band saws which you can actually hook up underneath your table. But I don't think that would work on this table. I don't know. I don't want to get one of those bigger band saws, which kind of slants down when you're cutting wood because it's just too heavy, and again, it's too big and I ain't got nowhere to put it. So if I was to get one, it means a lot of sorting out and changing things around again, which I don't really want to be doing. So, but I do need one, unless I try to make one, which I was going to originally try to do, is make a little miniature one, but I've just been too bloody tired of doing anything. Right, anyway, so got a new set of what are they called? Files. I do have a smaller set here, but I was able to get these on Temu or AliExpress. I think it was on Temu for about £3 or £4, and they were local, so they came a bit quicker. I know they weren't more than £5 anyway, these ones. So yeah, I've got those. Again, I need to find somewhere to put the damn things. Just like what's in his bag. I've got nowhere to put these at the moment. So we'll open this bag up. The blade's a bit blunt, actually. Right, so we have got wherever these are. I can't even open the zip bag. Oh, these are bits for the what's the machine? I can't even think what the machine's called now. But there's 6 different ones in here. I don't want to get them out. So there's those. Another bag inside of a bag inside of a bag. That's nice, really blunt. Right, more of these for the Dremel little sanding pack thing. I did get mostly Dremel stuff actually, so I can start using my Dremel for projects. Like small blades for the Dremel. Actually, I think this might be for the miniature cut saw. I'll have to check the size of that again in a minute. I know most of these were like little saw blades. The last two orders were mainly Dremel stuff actually. A nice little bag, and I think this is Dremel stuff as well. think. No, these are some kind of drill bits. I can't remember what kind of drill bits they are, but you know, I can always look back on my orders and see what they are. So that's possibly the last mailbag opening for now. So I ain't got nowhere to put this stuff at the moment. Apart from these will go up there with the other blades, which I'll put up there. Let me just check. I think these might be for the little cut saw. Yeah, they look like they actually fit cut saw. These are smaller, so they won't fit on there. That'll be for the Dremel. So these will go up there with the other blades. But yeah, I want to either buy, you know, I've been looking on eBay. There is one for like £57, I think it is, plus postage. He gave me a slight discount if I was interested. But, you know, being secondhand, I don't like buying secondhand stuff. Because, like, you know, the problem is you can't see it working. If there's a video of it being shown working, then yeah, I would have probably said, yeah, okay, I'll take it. But because it's just photos, you can't guarantee that the machine's going to work. And if you buy a second-hand machine off eBay and it doesn't work, there's going to be like a little battle going on in there, because like the seller say, oh, it's working when I sent it to you. But then you can turn and say, no, it wasn't working. You know, guarantee it weren't working. I know there is like a money back guarantee on eBay sometimes, but sometimes some of these sellers are very snidey, very kind of like, yeah, well, you send it back and I'll refund you, and you send it back at your own cost. So that way you're losing money. So I don't like doing that way. If I buy tools, I buy them normally brand new. But the Dremel bandsaw I want is like £100 on Amazon, the cheapest one that is. You know, if I was buying a second-hand one at 57 plus postage, I don't think it's got any blades, so I'd have to spend out another £15 on blades anyway. And again, there's a possibility it might not even work. And if it don't work and it's got to go back, the cost of the postage is down to me, I think. So unless they got videos showing it's actually working, then I might have taken a bit more of a chance. Because it's only photos, and it's photos of it in the box, because it comes with the original box, there is no 100% guaranteed that the item works or not. So yeah, I got the bits, so I could probably build one myself, but I've just been too damn tired and exhausted to do anything at the moment. You know, I've been buying, but not using anything. So the reason that is because of the weather. You know, it's been so hot. You know, it's making me have like it's a little bit like a heat stroke, you know, kind of. It's just making me very exhausted. And I don't want to do anything. Just sit and watch TV or YouTube or something, you know. I'm going to go and see what noise is going outside, because like we've been having fly tippers around here lately. And I wouldn't be surprised if one of the fucking neighbours is doing it. But yeah, if I get anything, I'll do a video. But I don't think I'll be buying anything else off AliExpress or Temu. All I've got discount codes and coins and shit like that. But it only knocks it down for a couple of pence, you know, kind of thing. You know, sometimes they might send you like a discount code to buy something for a penny or 99p, but they're only like cheap crappy stuff anyway. For like the original price might be $1.99 or $2.99, and you're only buying the $1.99 for a penny and a $2.99 for 99p. And that's not really a lot I really want to get now anyway. So the buying will probably stop. I have actually purchased a brand new gaming chair, which I might try to fix up today, because the arm is broken on this one, and I need to take this one apart. And the new one is out in the hallway, just sitting there waiting to be put together. And no, there won't be a video of that, because sometimes when I point the chairs up, I tend to screw up, and I get a little bit angry and frustrated and throw things around. But as I keep saying, I don't know there'll be any other videos, not for a while anyway, because I don't really need anything. If I do buy anything else on Temu or AliExpress, then I'll do a video when I get the items through. That's if I buy any more. Alright, cheers for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.